Welcome back to the Road Rival, your go-to destination for the latest in unique automotive engineering and timeless design. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the 2026 Morgan SuperSport, a machine that fuses vintage soul with modern performance in a way that only Morgan can deliver. Whether you're a fan of handcrafted cars or just love raw, open-air driving, this one deserves your attention. Design, a nod to the past, built for the future. The 2026 SuperSport carries Morgan's unmistakable DNA, long bonnet, compact cabin, exposed wheels, but reimagined with aggressive new proportions and modern materials. The hand-beaten aluminum body rests on a lightweight bonded aluminum chassis, offering both rigidity and vintage aesthetics. Unique LED lighting, minimalist aero detailing, and classic wire wheels modernized for today's roads all add to the SuperSport's neo-retro identity. This isn't a tribute to the past, it's a redefinition. Powertrain, BMW muscle under British skin. Under the hood, the 2026 SuperSport features BMW's 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, tuned to deliver around 375 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Mated to either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, the SuperSport can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. It's light, fast, and incredibly responsive, a reminder that simplicity often breeds the purest form of performance. Interior, purposeful and purist. Inside, the cabin is refreshingly analog. Expect high-grade leather, exposed aluminum, and a lack of screens, replaced by traditional gauges and tactile controls. This is a car built for drivers who want to feel connected, not distracted. While modern safety and comfort features are subtly integrated, the experience remains raw and authentic. There's no infotainment screen to swipe through, just the sound of the wind and the rumble of the exhaust. Driving experience, lightness, precision, emotion. Thanks to its featherweight construction and perfectly balanced chassis, the 2026 SuperSport offers a driving experience that's nothing short of visceral. Steering is direct and unassisted, grip is predictable, and every input feels meaningful. It's not about lap times, it's about emotion. With its low-slung seating and open cockpit, the SuperSport brings you closer to the road than almost anything else on sale today. Conclusion: a modern classic in every sense. The 2026 Morgan SuperSport isn't just a car, it's a philosophy on wheels. In a world filled with digital dashboards and synthetic driving aids, Morgan dares to stay analog. For enthusiasts who crave purity, heritage, and craftsmanship, the SuperSport offers an experience that no mainstream manufacturer can match. Stay tuned to the Road Rival for more deep dives into machines that make your heart race. Would you like a short version of this script for social media promotion?